I'm super duper glad you clicked on this video because in today's video I'm going to break down exactly why I stopped trading meme coins in 2026 and never looked back. Because the truth is that deving meme coins is not even close when it comes to profitability compared to trading. I've made hundreds and even millions of dollars from launching coins instead of buying them. And if you want to understand why and see exactly how I do it, well, keep watching because this video is going to change everything on how you see meme coin trading. Look at all the profits that I made from creating coins on chain. I am not showing you this to flex on you. I am showing you this because every single number in here represents a coin that I launched in the past, not a coin that I traded. This is what happens when you stop funding other people's coins and you start creating your own coins. For free method coming up right now in this video. Keep watching. Now here is a comparison that nobody lays out clearly, and once you see it you will fully understand immediately why the results on both sides in between deving and trading are so different. When you trade a meme coin, for example, your entire outcome depends on variables you have zero control over. For example, when you buy a coin like this one right here, okay, it's a random coin. When you buy it, you have no control on the price action. You have no clue if it's going to go down or up. It all depends on what the dev wants to do. He can dump it, he can let the coin ride, or he can just clip profits and let the coin bleed. You as a trader, you need to enter really early enough so that there's room for the price to move up, otherwise you're cooked. And also, you need to exit before the dev decides to pull out the liquidity, which they would do on most of their coins. So that's exactly why most people that are trading meme coins are actually unprofitable. But on the other side, most of the devs in this space are actually making six figures. Okay, you cannot actually lose by becoming a dev because it costs nothing to launch a coin. You can create how many coins you want, it costs nothing, right? It all depends on what you're launching, where you're launching, and how you're launching, which I will show you guys exactly how to do in this video. So in this video, bro, I will show you exactly how to build your coin with a viral narrative, how to launch it on chain. Okay, you guys will see, by the way, it's completely free. I do not sell a course, and obviously, bro, I will be launching a coin in this video. We will see if I can make money from my supply and from the creator fees. So without further ado, bro, let's get straight into the video. And no, bro, I am not a financial advisor. Everything said in this video is for educational purposes only. I don't condone any financial advice said in this video. Obviously, I'm capping. Now let's start with Pump.Fun and why it stopped working for serious devs a long time ago. When Pump.Fun first came out onto the scene, bro, it had a bunch of volume, but now it's oversaturated. Thousands of coins are being processed every single second. As you guys can see, there's one new coin coming out every single literal second on Pump.Fun, and most of these coins, they get no attention, they get no buyers, no one buys them, they just go to zero. Only the devs that have a bit of motion on their dev are going to see a bit of profits. But if you are new, bro, let's be honest, you should not be wasting your time, because on top of that, Pump.Fun takes a percentage of your creator fees and from your supply, so it's not worth it. Instead, I launch on the migrate section, also known as the Raydium DEX, directly. Instead of going through Pump.Fun, I just reach thousands of traders, thousands of potential people to buy my coin on Raydium directly, and there's a method to launch a Raydium. Because if you go through Pump.Fun, bro, your coin will have to reach a $40,000 migration price for it to level up to Raydium. So that's exactly why you have to be using launch memes.io to make all your meme coins, okay? The reason why is because every single coin that you make here will go to Raydium immediately. It will skip the entire bonding curve and reach thousands of potential buyers. That's why it's being kept a secret among a bunch of devs. But now it's time to get serious. To make a coin here, you have multiple options. You could either create a whole new custom coin from scratch, whether you have a narrative in mind, okay, that you found online, or a narrative or a project or a meme, anything, you can make it here. Just invent a name, ticker symbol, and your logo for that meme coin, and it will be live, right, and created. Or you can use my favorite method, which is the copy trending coins tab right here. The reason why this is so insane is because instead of creating a whole new coin from scratch and just testing your luck on a brand new meme coin that you have no clue if it's going to perform or not, well, you can just copy a coin that is already working and that already went viral and gotten a bunch of buyers. All these coins went or going viral on Pump.Fun right now. So we're just going to be copying a coin here back to Raydium to get buyers. You guys will see. Now it's time to do a live launch to see how much I can make personally, and you guys will see every single step of the way until launch. So first of all, connect your Phantom wallet, right? It's really easy. Now let's make some money. Let's copy a coin. Just go for a random coin. That's what I do usually when I copy coins. So I'm gonna go for this one, extract, click on copy to Raydium. Your Phantom will show up. Just ignore the block, right? It's completely normal and safe. Every single website will get this block if you are launching on a launchpad. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then the coin will be launched, well, minted, not yet launched. And then boom. Now if you go on SoScan, you have proof that it's minted on chain. It's legit. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool, because here's where we create the supply and allocate the supply for our meme coin. Like that, it can go to Raydium. That is the whole point. For the amount of extract coins, click on 90%. Do that for all your coins. For the dev buy right under, put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1.2 SOL. Okay, you are not going to lose this. You will get it back later whenever you want. Click on create pool. Your Phantom will show up, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then now the coin will be officially launched on chain, and then people will be able to buy the coin. Click on refresh once, and as you guys can see, the coin is live. People are buying in, I think. I hope so. And yeah, you have your P&L right there. Let's go see the chart. Go on Photon, go on Axum, go on any trading platform. It doesn't have to be them. Let's see if it's live. Bang, it's live. As you guys can see, people are buying in already. That is insane. Let's go see if we are up in money. Click on refresh once again if you want to see your profits. Bang, we're already up 290 bucks, guys. That is a great sign. That is insane in my opinion. Just let the coin pump and pump and pump. And this is exactly why deving is so profitable in 2026, because people buy whatever coins they see, okay? These are all random people buying in. I did no marketing. I spent no money, okay? I am just like you. I just copied a coin, and most people do not even know that you can use launchmemes.io to copy coins. Now I'm gonna let the coin go up. I'll be right back and show you how much we made. Alright guys, I am back and the coin looks strong, okay? We peaked here, now we're in the middle. Let's see how much we made. I think we made a couple $1,000 because we are at a 30k market cap. Come back to launchmemes.io, click on refresh, and we're up $2,75,000, guys. That is insane in my opinion. That's exactly 38 SOL. Click on the minus button to cash out. Do 100% of the entire supply of your supply. Click on remove liquidity. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm really quick, and then we should be cashed out completely. Bang! I just showed you exactly how I launch coins every single day, and the money is there. Bang! It just hit my account. 2.7 bands straight inside my Phantom wallet, guys. I am not capping. I do this shit every single day, legitimately. Now, if you want to start deving, bro, launchmemes.io will be linked down below, bro. Just stay consistent and launch meme coins. Do not give up if you only make $100 on the first coin. Okay, launch like 20 coins a day if you have to. Just launch, launch, launch. And remember, this is not financial advice.